Can't believe they're going on a business trip without me. Ah! Stupid. Stupid. This. Done. I'll clean this up later. Yeah, I don't need anything else. Did you leave breakfast? They didn't? What the heck? I'll have to make it myself. Yeah. Stupid. Done. Wash this later. Oh! Maybe they'll have some ice cream too. Oh! Can't believe they would do that. I should call my friends and see if they can leave me company. Hello? Hello? Who is this? It's me, Samantha. What do you need? My parents left on a business trip, and I was wondering if you could keep me company at my house. When? Today. Sure. I'll be right over.